Bitcoin. Here's a weekly VWAP anchored to this low. Long story short, this is our pullback target, has been for a long time. Either way, we just ran into it. So let me zoom in. We're going to go to a 1 minute chart. That green line is just overlapping that weekly volume weighted average price. We're essentially running into that right now. So this is basically a completion of our weekly longer term VWAP pullback sell target. So if the sell target is completing and it's a good sell target, then we're arguably going to see a counter trend bounce here. So this is where we're looking right in this low, literally that low. We're looking to be long now Bitcoin in the hopes that we're going to do a weekly VWAP bounce after completing this. Hold on, let me just delete this stuff so you can see it after we're completing that sell move. So real quick, let me just show you. I'm going to anchor a VWAP to this low. Change the settings to low. All right, so we just ran into there. So basically, what's that mean? That means we have pulled the market back to a counter trend support level, meaning we're not, looking for higher low, higher highs. We're arguably in a sell move and seeking out counter trend supports for the time being. What price is that weekly volume weighted average price? Right there, which is when you come over about 104,339. If you watched the video posted to our channel last night, nobody saw this coming with Bitcoin, you will know that we talked about watching the market sell directly to there. And now we start to look for what? A counter trend long, as long as the market is what? Above that volume weighted average price. Side note, 3 years ago, we said the Bitcoin market will enter a bear market in October. So granted, we are bearish Bitcoin right now for arguably the next year and a half, at least myself, until proven otherwise. I hope the thing keeps going up and we all make money, but right now analysis points to we're going to be bearish for another year and a half. So yes, I'm trying to be counter long biased this weekly VWAP, even though my long-term analysis is bearish. But either way, for the time being, let's see if we get some support here. It's also a weekly candle. So if we're going to build support in this area to begin with, it might take until this Sunday for the new weekly candle to print. So if we're going to hold support here and it's going to counter trend bounce, it's arguably going to take place into like Sunday. Update on weekly VWAP sell target and long start location for a counter trend bounce. Let's zoom into the 5 minute here. If we zoom into the 5 minute, you can see that the bounce is starting and working perfectly exactly where we said it would probably start. Now we're going to try to arguably take